Should you pay off your debt first, save, or invest? From a young age, we're told to go to school, get good grades, get a good job, and aim for promotions. But what happens after reaching those milestones? What should you do with your money that you've earned? It seems like any guidance on finance seems to disappear once you have a good job. It seems like guidance on your finances disappears once you have that good job. When that payday comes, the conflicting ideas of where to place that money seems to go out the window. So back to the question, should you pay off that debt first, invest, or save? In this video, as a financial advisor, we will share the optimal order for investing your money. First and foremost, before you think about investing in whether that's stocks, shares, crypto, or even property, it's important to have a safety net of cash. Firstly, we suggest saving income for 3 months in a high interest savings account with your bank. While it might be financially sensible to pay off debt first of all, what we do suggest is having a small safety net of cash in the bank, firstly to reduce stress, but also allow you to concentrate on the future. Next, we suggest tackling high interest debt, such as credit cards. The reason for this is that it hinders your monthly income. Paying off the debt is tax-free, risk-free, and guarantees a return on your investment. High interest, in my opinion, is anything higher than 10%. Afterwards, we suggest employer-sponsored contributions. This means you're not leaving free money on the table. This step, however, must come after proceeding with step 1 and step 2. I talk more about pensions in other videos, so if you are interested in those, feel free to check them out. Utilizing the likes of an IRA in the US or an ISA in the UK allows you to shield your profits from taxes. There are, of course, a number of other vehicles, but we always suggest speaking to a professional before taking up that option. Next is to, of course, consider paying low interest debt. Of course, if you have excess funds, then there are other vehicles to consider, but always ensure it aligns to your financial objectives. Lastly, paying off your mortgage is always an option for you to consider. However, mortgage rates are often the lowest types of interest on debt, so you may want to consider other investment vehicles if you have that surplus cash. Remember, investing in skills and personal development is always crucial. Remember, you can always use platforms such as Udemy and YouTube for further information on investing. As mentioned previously, always consult a professional if you are considering investing. Of course, you can click the links below for further information on how myself and my team can provide advice.